Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your PC. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Roblox website. Once there, you'll need to either create a brand new account or simply log in if you already have one. After successfully logging in, you will then download the Roblox player application directly to your computer, which is essential for playing any game. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file, which is usually found in your computer's Downloads folder. Double-click this file to launch the installation wizard. The process is straightforward. Just follow the clear, step-by-step instructions that appear on your screen. In just a few moments, the Roblox player will be fully installed and ready for you to use, preparing you for countless adventures. With Roblox Player installed, you can now launch the application from your desktop shortcut or start menu. Once open, you'll discover an incredibly vast and diverse library of games, all created by other users. Take your time to browse through the many options. When you find a game that sparks your interest, simply click on it, and you'll be transported directly into the action to start playing. To ensure the best possible experience, always make sure you have a stable internet connection. This prevents lag and interruptions. You might also want to adjust the in-game graphics settings to match your computer's capabilities, ensuring smooth performance. Finally, don't be afraid to explore the incredibly wide range of game genres available. There are thousands of unique experiences waiting for you to discover and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.